Good morning, everybody. This is Scott Sharp. I'm one of the forecasters here at the Weather Service office in Raleigh. We'll be conducting our weekly weather brief here in about another minute or two. I hope everyone can hear me fine and they see the first slide up on their screen. Okay, I'm showing the time as 11:30, so we'll go ahead and get started. Again, my name is Scott Sharp. I'm one of the forecasters here at the Weather Service office in Raleigh, and I'll be conducting the weekly weather brief for Central North Carolina. This period runs through today, November 28th, through Sunday, December 4th. Take a look at the weather maps for the upcoming week. You can see at the beginning of the week we will have a slow-moving frontal system that will be coming across parts of the southeast U.S. Through the first half of the work week. This frontal system will bring some much-needed rainfall, especially to western North Carolina. So this will bring a lot of hope and hopefully a relief to a lot of the people fighting the wildfires out here across the western part of the state. That rainfall is expected to arrive sometime tonight, and there could be multiple bands of rain across this region. So again, much needed rainfall will probably fall across the western highlands of North Carolina for the first half of the week. Here across central North Carolina, our better rain chances will probably hold off until sometime tomorrow, and even then it's going to be kind of spotty. Our best rain chances will actually come probably late Wednesday into Wednesday night as a slow-moving frontal system finally encroaches upon our region, and then it goes offshore by the end of the week. When you look at the forecast map for the upcoming weekend, right now the models are in a bit of flux, and so this is just one rendition of one of the models showing an area of high pressure over the Carolinas for the weekend. There are other models though that show an area of low pressure that will be developing here across the deep south. And if this does develop into a storm system, it would bring a lot of rainfall to our part of the country for the weekend. So right now, the confidence is pretty low for the forecast beyond, let's say, Friday night, early Saturday morning at this time. Take a look at the severe potential. Nothing to worry about today. Tomorrow, we're just in a general thunder outlook, and even then, while you may hear a clap of thunder maybe across parts of the Sandhills or coastal plain, most areas will just see rain showers. There's a marginal risk for some severe storms Wednesday into Wednesday night, and once again the instability is really quite lacking across our region. So again, while there may be a strong or severe storm, I think they'll be very isolated, probably confined to only the far southern or southeastern parts of our CWA, so it would be places like Goldsboro, Clinton, maybe Fayetteville, and Laurinburg. But again, though, I think it would be very isolated at the worst. We're not anticipating multiple strong or severe storms, maybe one at the most. And again, the time frame for that looks to be favoring more in that 4 p.m. to maybe 10 p.m. time frame, the way things are lining up right now. But again, though, I would not anticipate any kind of a major outbreak with this system for the middle of the part of the week. Take a look at anticipated rainfall. Again, for the next couple of days, most of the rainfall will be focused across the western part of the state, which is good news for folks out through there. Again, our better rain chances will probably occur, again, during that Wednesday and the Wednesday night time frame. And then here's our dry weather for Thursday and Friday. And once again, if you look at the weather map, that doesn't line up to what was shown on that, showing area of high pressure over us. So this may be having your cake and eat it too scenario, where they're trying to show the worst case scenario for the rainfall for Saturday and Sunday. So again, the forecast for the weekend's really in flux right now. It's very low confidence, so just keep an eye on that. But again, rainfall here for the Carolinas, at least the central part of Carolinas, we're expecting maybe half to maybe 1 inch of rainfall through the period, we'll say tonight through early Thursday morning across the region, with the heavier amounts probably towards the western Piedmont, the Yadkin River Valley, and lesser amounts towards the I-95 corridor, where maybe upwards of a quarter to a third of an inch will fall. The tropics are quiet and will remain so. The tropical season ends this Wednesday, so we'll put this puppy to bed by the middle of the week. And then taking a look at the next 8 to 14 day forecast, you're looking at temperatures probably have an equal chance or being a little bit above normal for this time of year. And then precip chances, again, still look to be averaging near or maybe slightly above normal for this time of year. So hopefully we can get an occurrence of rainfall on a bit more regular basis than what we've been having for the last couple of days, or a couple of weeks, I should say. So again, the summaries, much new rainfall anticipated for much of our region this week, with the bulk of the rainfall occurring on Wednesday and Wednesday night. Temperatures will probably average well above normal, particularly Tuesday and Wednesday. You can see here in Raleigh, we're expecting high temperatures tomorrow and Wednesday, pretty much in the low to mid 70s. Our normal high for this time of the year is around 60 or so. And then we'll start to cool down on Thursday and noticeably cooler by Friday, it looks like. And then we are turning into our winter season now, but it looks like chances for winter precipitation appear pretty minimal during the next 10 days. And just a reminder that this Saturday is SKYWARN Recognition Day. We will be hosting our SKYWARN spotters and amateur radio people up here in the office beginning early Saturday morning and continuing through Saturday evening or so. So again, special attention to our SKYWARN people. We couldn't do our jobs without them. For more information, please contact Nick at the email address noted below. And that is the weather brief for the week. Are there any questions? Okay, not hearing anything or seeing any questions in the box. That should about do it. Hope you have a good week. Please be safe.